What's up, guys? It's the Eagle. We're back here with another episode of Eagle Tech Talk. Now, we're not going to waste too much time here. As you saw from the title of the video, we got a new device today, so let's get to it. Alright, look at that. Got the S10 Plus. Now, what was bad with this here, they really didn't have a whole lot, they only had this one seal. As you see, I already opened it. And holding this thing closed. I'm like, come on, Samsung. I don't know if that's an AT&T thing. That's who I have as my carrier, if that's a Samsung thing. But I saw in some other videos of the S10 Plus, they kind of package it the same way. Go ahead and open it up. See? Now up here, look, you have just the normal, paperwork, SIM removal tool, and the SIM card, because I haven't activated it yet. I'll do that as soon as I'm done filming this video. And the device. It can wait. So, let's set the phone aside real quick. You got the normal stuff in here. You got the black. I got the 512 gig ceramic black S10 Plus. So all the accessories that are included are all black to match the phone. The black AKG earbuds, love these, love these. I actually have bought extras of these on Groupon because I like them. They're good, and if they break, they're not super expensive. And then you got your charger, your USB-C transfer cable, all that fun stuff. As a long-time Samsung person, I already have a ton of Samsung chargers. But I've been a Samsung fan since the Note 4. I love Samsung. So, alright, let's go ahead and put that aside. Let's get to the important stuff. Oh, look at this. Alright. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I got this phone. It went on sale the 8th. I got this phone. I pre-ordered it as soon as pre-order started. I got it on the 7th. I've already got it set it up because I wanted to claim the free earbuds. I just waited to peel off the plastic and really start using it because wanted it for this video. Let's go ahead and let's peel off the front part. Whew. Look at that display. Alright, now I've already set up the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. See? Pretty quick. I'm not going to put a glass screen protector on this until there's a good one, because I've heard of issues with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader with glass screen protectors. So, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, as I said, I got the ceramic black. Let's go ahead and peel off the back. Let me peel off the little sticker there. Look at that. So, I'm not going to go into all the normal boring tech specs because there's a lot of YouTube videos that do that. The important part of this is going to be the cameras, right? Because I use these Samsung phones to film all my videos. Got the standard, we got a wide, we got a telephoto. So, that's what I'm going to show you some, we're going to do some video tests real quick. Wait for the, Okay, we waited for the ambulance. Okay. So we're going to do a quick video test of these cameras, show you how each one looks. But, now, I did order a Moment photo case for this phone. It didn't come in time, so I can use it with my Moment lenses. I'll have another video when I get that, show you how the new cameras look with the Moment lenses that I enjoy using. But in the meantime, I needed a case because I'm not one of those guys that likes to risk going around without using a case. So once again, I went with the Spigen Tough Armor. This case I always put like a magnetic mount on, so like if I'm gonna be somewhere, like I'm hiking or something, I need a more rugged case, I'll put it in this. Or when I mount it in my car, for like GPS and stuff, this is the case I'll put it in. That way if it falls off the mount, it's got some protection. So, again, I went with the Spigen Tough Armor, like I've been using since the Note 7. And not much to it. Alright, we got the Tough Armor, Spigen Tough Armor case in black. Made sense since we got the Spigen, or since we got the ceramic black S10 Plus. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start this video out. We're going to be testing this with the front-facing camera. How's it look? I am not using the native camera app. I'm doing this with VideoMic Pro. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I think this looks good. You can, I have noticed you can't switch between the front-facing cameras, but it's all good. Alright guys, let's go ahead and test out the rear camera. Alright guys, and then here we are with the rear camera. Let me see if... Okay, so this one, you could switch between the 3 different cameras. So let's go ahead, let's see how it looks. Now, all this audio is not using the built-in mic on the S10 Plus. I'm using my Rode VideoMicro. Alright, here's this. Now let's switch. Alright, looks really good. Again, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I think I would enjoy creating videos with this new phone. Alright guys, let's head back inside. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this episode of Eagle Tech Talk. We're finishing out the video now. We are recording on the S10 Plus. Again, let me know how it looks in the comments below. So, links to everything, you know, in the description like always, the Spigen case. I do plan on picking up the 512GB SD card for this, just because, you know, I do use this for making my videos, so it's good to have all that extra storage. Appreciate everybody, you know, I know it's been a while, again, appreciate everybody who's sticking with me. Yeah, interact with me in the comments, shoot me messages, let me know which videos you like the most. Hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you next time.